Hi, I'm Mim Beim, a naturopath and breathing coach. The most important thing when you're teaching breathing retraining is to ask the person to only breathe through their nose. That's fine during the day when you can remind yourself to keep your mouth closed and just to use your nose to breathe. But what happens at night? At night we're unconscious, we're asleep, and if your breathing is dysfunctional during the day, very often it will be even more so at night. You're more likely to snore, you're more likely to have sleep apnea, your breathing is more likely to be what we call big, or you're hyperventilating or overbreathing. So what can be done? Well, this is an invention created by Patrick McKeown, one of the world's leading breathing educators. It's a hypoallergenic tape that fits securely around the mouth, and it helps the muscles of the lips to close so that you're going to be nose breathing throughout the night. It's available in adult size and children's sizes, and it's quite reasonably priced at $35 Australian plus postage, and it lasts for, there's 90 in here, so it lasts for 3 months. Available from MyoTape.com.au.